OpenAI just introduced a Sora, a text-to-video model. Sora can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. Sora really gets language, reading prompts accurately and bringing characters to life with strong emotions. It can make several scenes in one video, showing characters and styles just right. Plus, it's excellent at keeping movement smooth, whether it's with individual objects or between objects and backgrounds. OpenAI also released the videos generated from this model. It's simply amazing and mind-blowing. Sora is powered by a diffusion model, which gradually transforms noise into coherent video frames over multiple steps. Similar to how GPT models use transformers for language processing, Sora utilizes a transformer architecture for superior performance in understanding and generating visual content, enhancing its scalability and overall performance. It also uses the recaptioning technique from DALL-E 3, allowing Sora to understand text prompts effectively. As a result, Sora can generate complete videos in one go or extend existing videos to increase their length. The model's capability to foresee multiple frames enables it to manage scenarios where a subject briefly disappears from view, ensuring a consistent understanding of the subject's identity despite temporary absences. This accomplishment is significant as it contributes to the creation of more authentic and seamless video sequences. It also shows some weakness of Sora. It may struggle with accurately simulating the physics of a complex scene and may not understand specific instances of cause and effect. It's not uncommon for Sora to generate motion that may not align with physical reality. Later, the grandmother blows out the candles, but the flame doesn't flicker or move. Sora is currently introducing this model, but there isn't an official website available for running it just yet. It will be coming soon. Despite having this small weakness, this model boasts significant achievements. Firstly, it can produce videos lasting up to 1 minute, offering a substantial visual experience. Secondly, it excels in maintaining consistent and smooth movements between objects and backgrounds. We eagerly anticipate its future developments.